Hi, today I'm part of Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, the simplest way is to hold the application and drag this up to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here just more applications. But if you want to add a couple of apps in one click, just open the folder, click here to this plus icon and select the applications which you want to add, for example this one. Then just tap to done and we can see here new just added the applications to the folder. To give a name to the folder, click on the name and under, for example, the apps, click to done and we can see that we just successfully give a name to this folder. If you want to rename it by the same way, click on the name. Or also you can hold for a while the folder and click here to this edit icon to remove or just rename the folder. To move it here on the home screen or between the screens, we should hold and drag to the left or to the right side the folder just to move it between the screens or to create the new screens. Also, if you want to remove the application from here, you should hold the app and drag to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, we can select just a couple of apps and create the new folder. As you can see, we got here the same folder, or just we can select a couple of apps and remove them. You can also uninstall them if you want. Just tap to remove. Now we'll just remove them from the folder and from the home screen. And if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, just hold the folder and tap to remove icon by this way. As you can see, that's all simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.